That better be one
Oh
hell of
my
a jungle
God.
pussy.
All
My-
homeless people are crazy.
My cat
over.
my cat is a desert lynx.
Who cares?
not-
It's not
not
still
a
worth
normal
$500.
You paid $400 for a dry pussy. That's a shame.
Half a pog, however you say it.
A hog.
TBR. Hog, blah,
Hog.
blah, blah, blah.
You gotta when you say it. Yeah, she had to downgrade her internet because she bought a $400 cat, so little laggy.
Her internet's already downgraded. It didn't matter about the cat or not.
Get out of here, cat. For shipping and everything, it was actually closer to like $650.
Oh
Holy
my
shitballs,
god.
are you fucking serious? Bitch ass helicopter delivering care packages to Nazis.
I'm not fucking talking to any of you. Never again.
Make fucking $2 to the client website.
No, don't say that.
You just went there. You just
Oh
really
God, I did.
went there.
I was hoping you didn't hear that. It wasn't
no,
me.
I want you to
Plastic was like, you
understand
should joke
something,
around
okay?
about it. And I was
worked
like,
my
alright.
ass off to make the money I do, and I can afford a $500 cat, and I wanted the fucking cat, so I bought the fucking cat, okay?
Oh, no.